Namaste. I, Chetna, literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School at Chempty Township, Pinjore. Today is 4th December 2021. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की अमावस्या तिथि है। शनिवार को होने के कारण इसे हम शनेश्वरी अमावस्या के नाम से जानते हैं। आज का नक्षत्र अनुराधा, आज का योग सुकर्मा है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज मार्गशीर्ष माह के 19 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रबीउल सानी की आज 28 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now I would like to invite Anmol Dhiman of Plus 2 Arts to tell us about famous Indian mathematician Shakuntala Devi, also known as Human Calculator. Namaste Anmol.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Anmol Dhiman, student of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School of Class Plus 2 Arts. Today, I am here to share life and achievements of famous mathematician Shakuntala Devi, popularly known as Human Calculator. She was born on 4th November 1929 at Bangalore, Karnataka, to a Kannada Brahmin family. Her talent earned her a place in 1982 edition of Guinness Book of World Record. As a writer, she wrote a number of books including novels as well as texts about mathematics, puzzles and astrology. Her father, C.V. Sundaraja Rao, worked as trapezien artist, lion trimmer, tightrope walker and a magician in a circus. He discovered her daughter's ability to memorize numbers while teaching her a card trick. When she was about 3 years old, her father took her on roadshow that displayed her ability of calculation. She did this without any formula education. At the age of 6, she was demonstrated her arithmetic ability at University of Mysore. In 1944, she moved to London with her father. She calculated the cube root of 61629875 and the seventh root of 170859375 with very fast speed. She gave 23rd root of 201 digit numbers in 50 seconds only. She also demonstrated the multiplication of two 13-digit numbers picked at random by the Computer Department of Imperial College, London, and correctly answered in just 28 seconds. This event was recorded in 1982 Guinness Book of World Record. She wrote many books as Astrology for You, Book of Numbers, Figuring, The Joy of Numbers in Wonderland of Numbers, Super Memories, It Can Be Your on 21st April 2013. At the age of 83, she was died due to heart and kidney complications. On 4th November 2013, Devi was honored with Google Doodle on what would have been her 84th birthday. A film on her life titled Shakuntala Devi was announced in May 2019, in which Vidya Balan played a lead role. Despite all hurdles and hardship, Shakuntala Devi made India proud. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Anmol. Now, I would like to invite Vridhi of class 10th B to aware us about Indian Navy Day. Namaste, Vridhi.
Namaste, Vriddhi Bali this side. So today I'm going to tell you about the significance of our Navy Day. So Navy Day in India is celebrated on 4th of December every year to recognize the achievements and role of the Indian Navy to the country. 4th December was chosen as on that day in 1971 during Operation Trident the Indian Navy sank 4 Pakistani vessels including PNS Khyber killing hundreds of Pakistani Navy personnel. On this day, those killed in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 are also remembered. During the days leading up to the Navy Day, during Navy Week, and the days prior to that, various events take place such as an open sea swimming competition, ships are open for visitors and school children, there is a veteran sailors lunch, performances by the Naval Symphonic Orchestra takes place, an Indian Navy inter-school quiz competition happens, a Navy half marathon as well as an air display for school children and the beating retreat and tattoo ceremonies happen. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces and is led by the President of India as Commander-in-Chief. The Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is considered as father of the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy has an important role in securing the marine borders of the country as well as enhancing the international relations of India through seaport visits, joint exercises, humanitarian calamity relief, and so on. The modern Indian Navy has undergone speedy renovations in order to improve its position in the Indian Ocean region. The strength of the Indian Navy includes over 67,000 personnel and about 150 ships and submarines. In consonance with the theme of the Navy Week 2021, Indian Navy Combat Ready, Credible and Cohesive, the Southern Naval Command SNC will lay out a host of programs from the last week of November. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vridhi. Now, I would like to invite Abhinav of class 8B to share a new word with us. Namaste, Abhinav.
Namaste. Today's word is subsume. Its meaning is to include or absorb something. Its synonyms are include, involve, embraced, cover, and incorporate. Its antonyms are release, exclude, concession, and resignation. Example sentence: he subsumed a new feature in his personal computer to enhance the performance. I repeat my sentence. He subsumed a new feature in his personal computer to enhance the performance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Abhinav. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Shubham of 6th B, Dipanshu Sharma of 5th A, and Himanshi of 4th B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.